Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to link Snapchat from Facebook. So for you to be able to link your Snapchat to your Facebook, here's how you can get it done. The first thing you have to do is open up your Facebook account, then you tap on the profile icon, then you tap on the edit profile, scroll the way down, then tap on edit, then scroll down a little, then tap on add social link, then you tap on add social, then you tap on the platform, then you tap on the Snapchat option, then right here you input your username, which is the username to your Snapchat handle. So just gonna put it like that. Then once you're done, then you tap on done, then you tap on the save button, then your Snapchat has been linked to your Facebook, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.